Welcome to Scroll with Faizu, your ultimate destination for cricket analysis and match highlights. Today we bring you an in-depth look at one of the most exciting cricketing clashes of the season, India versus Australia in the International Masters League. This match was nothing short of a spectacle, and we're breaking it all down for you, from top performances to game-changing moments. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the action, let's set the stage. India and Australia, two powerhouses in the cricketing world, have always shared an intense rivalry. Every time these teams meet, fireworks are guaranteed. India's form coming into this match. India was in incredible form, with their top-order batters delivering match-winning performances. Players like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Jasprit Bumrah were in peak condition. Australia's challenge. On the other hand, Australia, led by Pat Cummins and David Warner, was equally determined to dominate the game with their aggressive approach. Would India continue their winning momentum, or would Australia strike back with their fierce bowling attack? Let's find out. The toss was crucial in this high-stakes game, and it was Australia who won it, electing to bowl first. With a pitch offering early swing and bounce, it was a bold decision. But how did it play out? India's start Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill opened the innings, facing a fiery spell from Mitchell Starc and Josh Hazlewood. While Gill started strong, Starc struck early, dismissing Rohit with a searing Yorker. Virat Kohli's masterclass. But when Kohli stepped in, the game took a different turn. With his classic cover drives and confident stroke play, he stabilized the innings. Surya Kumar Yadav's fireworks. The middle order saw an explosive performance from Surya Kumar Yadav, smashing sixes all around the park. India ended their innings at 320 for 6, setting a challenging target for Australia. With a massive target of 321 runs, Australia needed a solid start. And boy, did they get one. David Warner's aggression. Warner came out swinging, taking on Indian bowlers with fearless boundaries. Bumrah's magic over. Just when Australia seemed in control, Bumrah produced a brilliant Yorker to dismiss Warner, shifting momentum in India's favour. Final overs drama. With Australia needing 15 runs off the last over, the match had everyone on the edge of their seats. Did India defend their total, or did Australia pull off a miraculous win? Watch till the end to find out. Every great match has its key turning points, and this one was no different. Let's break down the most crucial moments that shaped the game. Bumrah's game-changing over his 2 wickets in a single over changed the momentum. Kohli's calm approach, his 89-run knock was the backbone of India's total. Australia's middle-order collapse, a sudden flurry of wickets cost Australia dearly. Who do you think was the match's MVP? Let us know in the comments. After such a thrilling match, let's hear what the players and experts had to say. Kohli on his performance, "I just focused on playing my natural game, and it worked." Pat Cummins on Australia's fight, "We fought till the end, but India played exceptionally well." The cricketing world is buzzing with reactions. Who do you think performed best in this match? The excitement doesn't stop here. The next big clash is just around the corner. India's next match facing England in a high-voltage encounter. Australia's comeback chance, looking to bounce back against South Africa. Stay tuned for our coverage on these matches and much more. What an incredible match. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Scroll with Faizu for more exciting cricket content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Who was your favorite player? And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Scroll with Faizu signing off. See you in the next video.